given the vectors u, which is equals to 2, 1, minus 1, v, which is equals to minus 3, 6, minus 1. In this video, I'm going to use the package pracma to perform the operations which are appearing on the right there. So the first step, I will load the package pracma. So I'll type in library, open parenthesis, then pracma. So that's the package there that we want to use. Then I'll press enter. I'll start by now entering the vector u is equals to, then I press the C command, open parenthesis, then the elements of the u, 2, comma, 1, and then comma, minus 1. So that's the u there. And then I'll go on and enter the v. So the v is equals to C, open parenthesis, then I type in the elements minus 3, comma, 6, comma, then minus 1. So we have our u and our v there. I can just type just to check if we've entered them correctly. Then type my u, and you see that is a 2, 1, minus 1. Our v is a minus 3, 6, minus 1. I was just checking if I've entered those correctly. I now move on to question number 1, u plus v. For u plus v, we just type u plus v, addition of those vectors, and it gives us a minus 1, 7, minus 2. I now move on to question number 2, the u minus v. So I'll type in u minus v, and it gives us the solution 5 minus 5, 0. Move on to question number 3, 3 times u. So I type 3, and then times u, and it gives us 6, 3, minus 3. For question number 4 there, that's the dot product. So for the dot product, we type in the command dot, then open parenthesis, then we are taking the dot product of u, then comma and v. So we separate that by a comma. So that will give us the dot product of u and v, and it will give us 1. I'll move on to question number 5 there, the cross product of the two vectors. For the cross product, I type in the command cross, open parenthesis, u, then comma v. So this gives us the cross product of u and v. I then go on enter, press enter there, and the cross product there is 5, 5, 15. So it's giving us this is the ith component, the jth, and the kth. So that's the cross product there, and we should recall that the cross product is a vector. Then for the last question there, the norm of u, we just type norm with an uppercase N. So norm of u. So for the norm of u there, then I press enter. So the norm of u is equals to 2.44949. So that's the norm of u.